Why does the bear cross the road? The usual answer to this question is to get to the other side. But a more appropriate one would be, frankly, because he had no other option. Southern Ontario's road infrastructure has grown to such an extent over the past century that at no point are we more than 1.5 kilometers away from a road at any time. Now, this is great for us if we ever get lost in the woods, but it's not so great for wildlife. Roads are widely acknowledged to create negative effects, including barriers, habitat fragmentation, and direct animal mortality from wildlife vehicle collisions. So my next question, how does this bear cross the road? And the answer is ideally with our help. We have the ability to mitigate these negative effects by incorporating wildlife management strategies, such as fencing, crossing structures, and detection systems, into our road infrastructure. But we're not doing it, at least not as much as we should be. So why not? They have been proven to work. For example, in Banff National Park, we've seen an 80% reduction in the number of wildlife vehicle collisions since installing fencing and crossing structures in the 1980s. So what's stopping us? And the reason is decision-making in the public domain isn't as simple as taking scientific expertise and implementing it. Often, this expertise gets overshadowed by things such as public perception, political will, and budget. This is where my research comes in. I'm examining these types of socio-political and economic factors that play into the decision-making for these projects. Currently, the research around roads and wildlife has to do with the hard science questions, such as the ecology of an area or the structural engineering of the project itself. What's missing are the human variables, and I believe it is these that are key to understanding how to get more of these projects off the ground. Now, Ontario has been successful in incorporating a few of these projects. I'm going to use these as case studies to determine which factors influence their decision-making the most. With this information, I can develop a tool that will help practitioners identify projects with the highest potential for success. For example, if it turns out that a project has significant opposition, but it's already been identified that public perception plays a large role in decision-making, it might be best to take our resources, allocate them elsewhere, instead of fighting a losing battle. In a time when our resources are stretched so thin already, it is crucial that we optimize our wildlife management decisions. So, we have a scientific understanding of the problem, and we have a scientific range of proven solutions. But ultimately, it is the people who are making the decisions to implement these. We need to know what it is that makes these people say, yes, let's do this, if we are to help get that bear safely across the road. Thank you.